Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another new Colourpop collection. I feel like I've done like Colourpop videos back to back. I'm so sorry. I didn't plan it out to be that way. But anyways, I'm playing around with the new Colourpop Big Poppy collection. Here's a little card. It's super cute. To be completely honest, when I first saw this collection, I was like, okay, whatever. But you guys will see in the video. My opinion may or may not change, so just stay tuned for that. But yeah, we're just me, you know, doing the huge over here. I'll be doing swatches, a tutorial, and giving you guys my review on the collection. When you guys are watching this, this collection will be launching today at 10 a.m. PST. Guys, I do have a code with Colourpop. It is KATRINA, and it'll save you 10% off. There are some exclusions. I believe there will be a 25% off palette sale when this launches, so I think the palette will be on sale, but I think everything else will be normal price. So you guys can use my code on the other products, put the code in. Won't take it off of the palette, I think, but it'll take it off everything else. So I'll leave that down below for you guys just for reference later. Anyway, so let's get into it. So the first thing that we have in the collection is the Big Poppy palette, and this is what it looks like. I'll put close-ups on the screen. This palette actually launched during Cyber Week, and it launched with the Little Ray of Sunshine palette, I think, like in a little set. Now it was like kind of like, I guess, a little sneak peek. I didn't know that, but there is a whole collection based off of it now. This is what the palette looks like, and then you open it up and this is what it looks like. It is just 9 pans of warm goodness. It is an all matte palette, which I was super excited for. I love when Colourpop does all matte palettes because I love matte shadows. I have so many shimmers, and like obviously I get excited when like shimmers in Colourpop palettes are like really nice, but I do love me a nice all matte palette. So it is a 9-pan palette, and it is in the cardboard packaging. It'll be retailing for $14, and like I said, there will be a 25% off palette sales. The next thing that we have 2 pressed powder blushes, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's like this really pretty orange with a little poppy flower on the front and some metallic, like gold metallic foil. The box on this matches the palette, so that's really cute. They're both shimmery blushes, but it's not too shimmery. I have one of them on right now and it's not crazy. So the first one we have is Foxy, and this one's a lighter warm peach color with some gold shimmer in it, and then the other one is Out of Sight. This one's a little bit darker, also has some gold shimmer in it, but it's more of like a darker peach, like terracotta-y color almost. So that is the 2 blushes, and these will retail for $8 each. Next thing that we have in the collection is 3 new Lippie Stix, and I'm so excited because I feel like the Lippie Stix are super underrated. I love them, and I always have ever since they were like one of Colourpop's first launches. I love the Lippie Stix. Pretty sure the one I have on right now is a Matte X formula, which is my favorite formula when it comes to Colourpop lipsticks. So we have Unreal, Fab, and Good Times. These will retail for $7 each, and these are the 3 shades right here. They're all very like warm tones. Fab is like a lighter warm nude. Then Unreal is a little bit more of a like medium tone, like medium warm tone. And then Good Times is a like dark brown. That's the one I have on right now. Those are the 3 Lippie Stix, our new shades, so that is really exciting. We have our 3 new Lippie Pencils. I'm super excited about this as well because I use the Colourpop lip liners constantly. They're like my go-tos besides like the Element Cosmetics ones. And these are like 3 perfect like nude lipsticks, so like a lighter, medium tone, and a darker one. Will retail for $6 each. We have Snow Happy. Is that what it's called? Oh, So Happy, sorry. And it's like a nice nude lip liner. And then we have Field Day, which is more of like a medium tone, almost like a little bit of like a rosy terracotta color. Petal Please, which is like a dark brown lip liner. I love dark lip liners. Really excited to see like a darker lip liner in here because deeper skin tones always need a nice like brown lip liner. So I'm really excited about that. Those are the 3 new Lippie Pencils, and those will retail for $6 each. So last couple products are more like skin products. So the first thing that we have is the Soul Body Shimmering Dry Oil. This is in the shade Peach Bellini. It looks like, and this will retail for $10. It is like the little mini one. I don't know if this is already an existing shade. I'll let you guys know down below if it is because I don't remember. But this is what it looks like, and it's just like a nice little like pinky peach with some shimmer throughout it. And we have the Papaya Face Milk. I know that this one exists already, so I just added it in here because of the color. But this is the Papaya Face Milk, and this will retail for $14. Okay, so that is the entire collection. Like I said, this will be launching today when you guys are watching this. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions, just let me know down below. I will put everything that I mentioned in the description box, pricing, all that good stuff. So this is a look that I came up with today using the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my thoughts on the collection as well, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the palette. This is the Big Poppy palette, and I love that this is all matte. I've talked about this before. I love when palettes are all matte because I have so many shimmers. I'm gonna do like a smoky eye today, so I'm gonna start off with Mellow. It's the middle shade right there on the top, and I'm just gonna start off with this and use this as my transition shade. I already have my eyes primed. I'm gonna go into, I swear, like I'm so blind, I can never see anything like on like little labels. Cali Love. It's just a shade right next to it. That other one was a little light, so I'm gonna just kind of take this one and just start building that into the crease. Taking that shade like really lightly just so I can use it as a transition shade. Like you could probably build this color up to be like a little bit more of a crease shade, but I just want to start off kind of lightly. I'm gonna go in with Floral Out. I'm probably gonna end up using like almost every shade in here. Just focusing this like on the outer parts and then into the crease. I really like this color a lot. It's kind of the color of my sweater, like a little bit lighter, but there's also one in here that I think is like the exact color of my sweater right now. Go in with Dig It, this shade that is like the color of my sweater. I'm really excited for this color because I love shades like this, so I'm gonna kind of pack that on this outer part. Most of the definition is right there, and I'm just taking that into the crease. Then I'm probably going to do a smoky eye, so I'm just kind of building every color up. I'm back with Cali Love just to blend the edges out. Take Flower Power, this shade. I'm going to take that pretty much the same way, but I'm just going to take it a little bit lower into the crease to start this smoky eye. Kind of bringing that onto the lid a little bit as well. And for the lid, I'm going to take Groovin', which is this bottom middle shade right here. I'm going to pack that on. I'm packing that on first, and then I'll just kind of blend it out afterwards. The brush that I was using Flower Power with, I'm just going to blend that out. I'm going to go ahead and take Wild Thing, which is the darkest shade in the palette. I pretty much used almost every single shade. And I'm going to focus this closest to the lash line. And then I'm going to go with Groovin' to kind of just blend those two together. Pretty much just when doing smoky eyes, I say this all the time, just kind of going back and forth. Blending, re-intensifying, blending, re-intensifying. It will just give you the best blend. I'm going to do this on this eye, and I'm also going to do my base really quick, and then I'll come back and we'll do the lower lash line and use the rest of the products. So I'm going to do blush first. I was going to do my lower lash line, but I'll do blush. We have two blushes. I'm going to take, oh my god, can anybody else like never open these compacts? Like, am I just dumb? But they're so hard to open. I'm going to take this one just because I love these color blushes. You guys know how much I love those nice peachy shimmery blushes, but there's also this one too, which is a little bit darker, not too dark. It's a little bit darker, so I'm glad to see like a little bit of a darker blush and not just two blushes that look like this. But we're just gonna take this one. This one's called Foxy. Ooh, I love these color blushes so much, and I always go like overboard with it, but like I don't even care. This is a little similar to Luminoso from Milani. Luminoso is like a little bit more on the corally side, but if you like Luminoso, you might like this. So just saying. Lower lash line. Take Groovin'. I'm gonna put that along the lash line. This isn't the darkest shade. This was the second to darkest shade in the palette. And I'm just keeping that nice and tight to the lash line. I'm going to take the eyeliner from Christie's collab. This one is Woodsy. It's just like a nice dark brown eyeliner. I'm just going to put that in my waterline. The eyeliner is so pretty. I love this color. I'm just going to blend, kind of smudge that out a little bit. And then I'm going to take Dig It, this shade, and I'm just going to smoke that out with that color. And it wouldn't be a smoky look if I didn't bring my lower lash line pretty far down. So that's what I'm doing. Cover up your bags because that's the look that we're going for. Okay, I actually am going to take the darker shade that we used, which was Wild Thing. Yeah, Wild Thing. And I'm going to take that a little bit closer to the lash line. And a little bit darker. You obviously don't have to like smoke out your look this much. I just love doing that. I'm going to go ahead and just put on some lashes really quick. I'll be right back and then we'll do the lips. Okay, lashes are on. I'll go ahead and put everything that I have on down below. So let's move on. And I already know what colors I want to use because I saw my friends dupe that post swatches and I was like, yep. I'm gonna take Petal Please Lippie Lippie Pencil and then the Good Times Lippie Stick. I just sneezed and I hate sneezing like right after I put lashes on. Damn it. Okay, so this is the Lippie Pencil. It's brown. Are we surprised? So I'm just gonna line my lips with this. I'm really excited because I feel like we haven't gotten like new Lippie pencils in forever. Okay, this is quite possibly the worst lip line job I've ever done, but it's fine. I don't really care. Okay, and then I'm gonna go, by the way, this lip liner, perfect. I will absolutely be wearing this lip liner forever. I love a dark brown lip liner. And then, oh, okay, hi, new packaging. This is like transparent kind of. And this is Good Times, like I said. I will never stop wearing brown lipstick. Just choose brown lipstick over anything else. Brown lipstick is just superior to any other lipstick color. Do not tell me otherwise. Okay, let me take my clips down and stuff. All right, so this is the finished look. This is giving me fall vibes like 1000%, which I'm okay with because I do my makeup like it's fall time all year round. So I love this look. This is like a go-to look for me, so I'm here for it. I'm a little confused about this release. Like I would have thought that this would have came out like in September or October, not in December. But again, like I'm not mad at it because I like these tones. Also, I will say when I first like saw pictures of this, I think it came out during like Cyber Week, so I was like, oh, okay. And then I saw like pictures of it again when they were like, oh, I think Trend Mood or Dupe That, my friends Dupe That posted it, and I was like, all right, another like palette. But I swear it's always those palettes that I'm like, I don't care about them, and then I get them and I'm like, I love this. I love this palette. I love this collection just because I love these colors. I know a lot of you guys like these colors too, so I would say pick it up because it's pretty bomb. I love an all matte palette because I like wearing mattes more than shimmers, honestly. On a day-to-day basis, like I will just use like a matte eyeshadow or something, and this look right here is like definitely a go-to look for me. I love doing a nice smoky, like rusty orangey color kind of look, so I love it. I did not go into this video thinking I was actually gonna like care for this palette that much, but here I am, pleasantly surprised, and I love it. I think it's really good. I definitely would say pick it up. Blush, love it. Lipsticks, love them. Lip liners, love them. Say that this collection is a winner because I love everything in this collection. The only thing that I'm like, oh, like whatever about is just like the face milk and the body oil. Just because I have so many of these. But I mean, like if you like these types of products, then like this like little shimmering dry oil is really pretty. I didn't put it on just because I'm wearing long sleeves and stuff, and you know, I'm not going outside. I'm literally staying in my house all the time, so I don't have like a need to put it on right now. But if you like these products and stuff, then I would definitely say pick it up because it is a really pretty color. And the Papaya face milk, I've said this before, I love all of the face milks, so you know, you can't go wrong with the face milks and the body oils just because, you know, they're good. I feel like at first glance, it is one of those collections where it's like, oh, whatever. And then like you actually get in and you're like, this is going to be a palette I use all the time. It's one of those things. So I love this. And you guys know I love like these rusty orange colors. I thrive in these colors, you know. So I really love it. This lip color, perfection. Definitely gonna be a go-to lipstick for me. Lip liner, I love dark brown lip liners to go in with a nude lip. Perfection. But all the other lip colors are really nice too, but this one, if you like brown lipstick, get this because it is bomb. I love this. This is gonna be one of those lipsticks that I just throw in my purse. This blush, the Foxy one, if you like those types of blushes, shimmery, kind of orangey, peachy blushes, get it. if you like luminoso, I'm pretty sure you will like this blush. And yeah, overall, pleasantly surprised with this collection. Did not go into this video thinking I was really gonna like it or anything, and here I am saying that you should get everything in the collection. So anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know down below, are you guys gonna pick anything up in this collection? Did you get it during Cyber Week? It was in like a little set with the little ray of sunshine, so if you have it already, let me know. Do you guys like it too? But I want to hear your guys' thoughts in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.